Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to improve your vagal tone by targeting the vagus nerve and a few simple, easy steps that anybody can do. And I want to show you this because I can't tell you how many people I've heard say that they have been told there's nothing they can do to improve their vagal tone, when that's so far from the truth. Not only can you improve your vagal tone, you can do it fast. So let's get started. We're going to tap on your K27s. You want to do this because it's like aligning your tires before you go on a trip. You want to make sure you're going in the right direction. Because when we get tired, our energies run backwards. And if they're running backwards, then you could feel worse when you do energetic practices like this. Okay, now we're going to cut off the stress response through the triple warmer. Because if you have an underlying stress response that's on all the time, then that would undermine what we do with the vagus nerve. So press your fingertips into the middle of your forehead. On the exhale, bring to your temples, down behind the back of the ear, down the back of the neck, and then rest and press your fingertips into the back of your shoulders. Now shake off your hands. Put your fingertips in the back of your neck now, and wrap your palms around the front of your neck. I want you to take 3 deep breaths. Your body loves 3 breaths when you do energetic practices. Last breath. Okay, now I want you to take your index and middle finger and put those between your eyebrows. Place your thumb on one nostril and your ring finger on the other. Breathe in through your left nostril, out through your right. Breathe in through your right, out through your left. Breathe in through your left, out through the right. And you can do that for as long as you'd like, but I would do a minimum of 6 breaths. Lastly, one of the best things you can do for your vagus nerve is hum. And so if you hum while you do all of these things, you're getting double the results for your effort. So you're really supercharging all of those great vagus nerve balancing techniques. Maybe your vagal tone is too high, maybe it's too low, whatever the case, you're restoring ideal vagal tone in just a few minutes. So I hope this helps you. Now you can be fully in charge of your vagus nerve and have healthy vagal tone during the day. So try this. I think you'll feel a difference. And if you know that you're one of those people with a vagal tone imbalance, then do this 2 or 3 times a day. And I think you're going to see real improvements in the physical problems that get attached to a poor vagal tone. So that's all for today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.